Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to do this today. We're going to do some liver. I'm using beef's liver. So we've got fried liver, fried onions, mashed potatoes, some green garden peas, and a nice little garlic sauce with mushrooms. Lovely stuff that is. Welcome back to How to Cook Quick. So I've got a knob of butter there, about a tablespoon maybe, that we're melting down. And to that we're going to add our onions. I've got a couple of decent sized white onions. You can see I've cut it like so. Bit of salt. I'm using this pink Himalayan stuff, that's why it's that kind of colour. Some black pepper. Medium heat. Let's go for about 4 or 5 minutes, then we'll have a look at them. So that's about 4 or 5 minutes. You can see that it cooks quite nicely. Now some people would like their onions like this. So if you like them like that, you've done this bit. For me, I'm going to go for another 4 or 5 minutes. I like them kind of cooked a little bit longer. If you want, you could get a little bit of garlic in there or a little bit of dried thyme maybe. Keeping this really nice and simple. Salt and pepper, butter and onions. Okay, I'm happy about there. Some people would even go further than that. That's your choice. Let's set these aside and then we can move on to the next step. Okay, I'm back in the same pan. I didn't clean it or anything, I just chipped the onions out. Okay, now we've got some olive oil in there, but you can use a different oil if you want. Let me grab a spoon here. And I've got here about 3 cups of mushrooms, or 200 grams. Which you can see I've kind of cut like that, roughly. We're going to add garlic to taste. I'm putting in that, you know, maybe a couple of teaspoons. Salt. A little bit of black pepper. Above medium heat. We're going to go for about 4 minutes again. Now if you wanted, you could have got some tarragon in here, some marjoram, some other dried herb. I'm keeping this nice and straight. Well, I've got 200 ml, so not a lot, of stock here. I'm using a chicken stock. You could use something different if you want. In that goes. Three to 4 minutes again on this medium heat. No need to stir it, it's absolutely fine. See you then. Beautiful. Next up, we're going to add, I've got here 50 ml of water with a couple of teaspoons of corn flour in it, cornstarch. By the way, cornstarch and corn flour are the same thing, we just call them different things in different countries. And then we're going to just mix that in. As the heat goes through, you're going to see it thicken. Look at that. Beautiful, nice little mushroom gravy there. Job done. Off goes the heat. Set that aside. So time to look at our liver. So I'm using beef liver. You could use lamb's liver if you want. I've got 500 grams there, which is about a pound, just over a pound. What I've done is I've cut it as thin as I can into nice strips like so, you know. Very simply, what we're going to do is we're going to get some flour, season it. I'm just going to add salt and pepper. Add something else if you want. We're going to just hit it into the flour and fry. So I've got about 4 or 5 tablespoons of just a regular plain wheat flour, salt and pepper. We're just going to mix that in. If you, like I said, if you want to get some paprika in there or some other spices, that's entirely up to you. A quick little mix here. And then we're going to take a piece of the liver and we're just going to drop it in. See if we can get a little coating on it. Nothing too much, you know. And then we can just shake that off, set it aside. I'll do the rest. Okay, so kind of 4 decent steak looking sizes. Let's get to the cooker. Really simple. So some people with their liver would soak it in some vinegar or in some milk or things like that. I don't do that. I've just you know, cut it how I want it and I just cook straight away with it, but some people do that. Right, in this pan I've got some oil. You can use butter, you can use any oil, like I'm using olive oil, but you know, use whatever you want. So above medium heat. What we're going to do is I'm going to have to batch fry this. I'm going to drop in, I think I can do 2 at a time. Yeah. Cooks really quickly, so it's only going to be like 3 minutes aside. Job done. Easy, easy. But they're done, absolutely fine for me. So out they come. Let me do those other couple that I've got there. Okie dokie, job done now. I'm serving that, as you can see, with some mashed potatoes and some green garden peas. So there's our lovely liver, a little bit of that sauce on. Didn't use hardly any of it, to be honest, but a little bit on there. I'll use it for something else. And our onions. I love that. Now a lot of people would have that with bacon as well. I'm keeping it obviously like that. No more room on that plate. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.